Hello friends, welcome to your channel #luxury. Today we are at Rack Ceramics, who deals in ceramic and vitrified tiles, and it's a very nice showroom which we are going to cover up in this video. और since our channel is related to luxury, यहाँ पे हम आपको luxury related products ही दिखाते हैं अपने channel में friends. So let's have a complete walk around of the showroom and let's see what kind of products they deal with. So friends, we are at Rack Ceramics. Here we are in conversation with Miss Poonam, who takes care of sales here. She is the showroom manager. Hello Miss Poonam.
Hi, nice meeting you.
Thank you ma'am, thank you so much. Please say hi to our viewers.
Hi, welcome to RK Ceramics. It's called RK Ceramics, but we're dealing with tiles, vitrified tiles and ceramic tiles.
Great ma'am. I can see that you have a very beautiful showroom and it is in a huge space as well. I think it is...
It's about 3,000 square feet area where we are spread over, and majorly we have tiles, and then we have sanitary CP fittings as well.
Alright ma'am. So like if I wanted to construct a house and I am looking forward for the flooring, but like the old people says that you should go with the marble and not with tiles. So could you please tell me that why shouldn't I go for marble and why should I go for tiles?
Yeah, see, that is, firstly it is basically a personal choice, right? But if you go technically, the stone will always be porous, which means it will take in water. So water means there's going to be some kind of leakage and all these things. Whereas these tiles, they are totally anti-porous, especially the RAK tiles, and that it has a technical reason. See, what happens is for making a tile, there are two major things that have to be put in use. One is the temperature and one is the weight.
So what I think as a layman, I think tiles are easy to maintain and easy to keep clean as well, I think.
Absolutely, they are definitely much more easy to maintain, much more, because majorly in stones what happens, you have to keep having those polish being done after maybe every 2 years, 3 years it gets dirty, but here it is just simply maintained by the sweeping and mopping. Okay. Yeah,
and I believe
I told you the technicality why I'm talking about the weight. See, majorly the tiles that are compressed is with a weight of 44 ton, but RAK tiles are compressed with a weight of 68 tons. It makes it dense, it makes it harder, and if it is harder, its life increases and the polish also remains on a harder surface for a longer time. And as far as polish is concerned, we are not using wax polish, we are using chemical polish, which also makes it anti-skid.
Tiles are anti-skid tiles which you are dealing with. Secondly, I believe that these are easy on pocket as well as compared to marbles if I go for marble.
Yes, definitely. See, in tiles, if you really see, RAK is expensive because of the process, the technical.
RAK basically deals in luxury tiles, and our channel also deals in luxury products only, so that's why we have come here. So it's a luxury basically tile showroom.
Luxury product. RAK is the most expensive, no doubt about it, but for the price that you're paying, you're getting a good product, a lifelong product, which will be shining just as it is shining now when you actually purchase.
But where it comes from, the RAK?
The company it's a UAE company owned by the king there, and even being used in Burj Khalifa, the RAK tiles are used, and across 150 countries all over the world have RAK tiles being sold. And in India, we've been doing it for about more than 10 years now. And we have on the RAK standards, it is being built in we have two factories, one in Gujarat, Morvi, and one in Samalkot, Andhra Pradesh. So we have a variety of tiles here, starting from 1 feet by 1.5 feet, 1 feet by 1 feet as well, and going up till 4 feet by 8 feet. This is
so there is no joint. It's a one piece.
Yeah. If you majorly nowadays people want to have bigger tiles because they don't have too many joints, and they even look beautiful.
Looks beautiful and gives a look of marble, as I think.
So we start from about 55-60 per square feet and go up till about 250. 240.
And if I talk about marble, I think it starts basic from 150 per square feet.
They do.
And normal marbles, if we go for, so 50 rupees you can start.
We can start tiles, and we also have wood look tiles because nowadays people are very fond of having a wood look finish.
So these are wood look tiles, huh?
These are wood look tiles, and they're made in these molds. These you can see these, they are in planks and they are made in these molds, and it's not like that a big tile is made and then it is cut. The finish is really beautiful, and the solidness is also perfect.
Okay.
And these are used in balconies, they're used in bedrooms, they're used in bathrooms, and as you can see, the texture also feels exactly like wood.
Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah.
And you can also have a look at how it looks after being fixed. I will just show you. You know, you can't even see the joint. You can't even make out that these are planks.
Okay.
So this is how it gets fixed, yeah. And you can also have different kind of ways of putting it. You can put it in a herringbone style, or you could put straight, or you can put, on those something like kite. So that kind of different styles can be used in using these planks.
And I'm really impressed with the modular planks which you have.
Yeah, this is how the customer can have a good look, because if they're stacked,
space as well.
yeah, if it is stacked, obviously they can't have a good look. Now these are 2 by 2 feet by 2 feet, yeah. And these tiles are they are like they can be put on the terrace also because they throw the sunlight, and that's why these tiles are cooler if you put it on terrace. So these are CP fittings, and they are special brand of RAK. It's called Cludi RAK. These are CP fittings for the washrooms. It's a German technology taken by RAK. We have some sample setup of the washrooms, etc. So the client gets a good idea that how you mix and match the tile, and how it would look when they actually make it. Sometimes people come and they just straight away tell us that okay, we want this particular thing, we want this tile on the wall, we want it on the floor. You must be seeing we are putting matte finish on the wall, on the floor.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and these ceramics are also from RAK only. This is floor mounted WC. This is a very stylish wash basin, and so these are some samples which you can have a look. So we have all these WCs. We also have wash basins. Then we have this kind of style also. This is vanity basin. Of course, we can't put up everything. The catalog will have at least double of what we are showing here. But
you have an exclusive showroom in Noida for RAK Ceramics, or there is some other player as well?
No. We have a special showroom in Noida. This is exclusive for RAK, and we have been here for about almost 6-7 years.
So, I can see the premiumness in the products, I can see the premiumness in the showroom, and I can see that you are also a very qualified person who is selling.
It's a high-end product definitely, and we get all.
So, ma'am, I'm curious to know about your clientele, because I don't think so that middle-level income person will fall under this category. So
sometimes people now have become very cautious about the fact that whatever they're spending should be of quality. So they are ready to kind of compromise with their pocket also, in the sense that ready to pay a little higher to get good quality. So it's not only that higher income group, definitely that's the main target audience, clientele, but even otherwise middle class people are also accommodating their pockets for RAK, because they really feel great when they put RAK. And in fact, I can introduce you to our Vice President, Mr. Vijay Mohan, and he's been dealing with the projects, etc. So he'll be able to tell you some other clients of ours, some commercial clients.
So, welcome Mr. Mohan to our channel, #luxury. Pleased to see you here. Can you please say hi to our viewers?
Hi everyone.
So, Mr. Mohan is the Vice President here, and he will tell us something about their clientele, what kind of clients they deal with, and if I can.
We are having all kinds of clientele. Our products are going in residences. It is going in residential projects. It is going into big builders, with big builders. It is going in 5-star hotels. It also goes to showrooms like Mercedes and Tata. All these places, in Titan, all these places, they are using RAK products.
Oh, very nice, sir. So I think we have covered the most of it. And guys, if you are looking forward to make your house with vitrified tiles and ceramic tiles, I think you should and you must visit RAK Ceramics at Noida, Sector 10. I'll share the location link in the description and the contact numbers as well. You can visit here and you can order for the best products which I can see here. So thank you for watching #luxury. We will be coming up with the next luxury vlog very soon. Thank you for watching, friends. Thank you. Have a good day.